Ever tightened something and wondered, is that snug enough? Or am I about to strip this thing? That's where a good torque wrench earns its keep. And today we're taking a deep dive into one that's been getting a lot of attention. The Icon 1/2 inch drive professional torque wrench, model 64064. Hey everyone, Phil here. If you followed the channel for a while, you know I like digging into the details. Not just what a tool is, but how it's built, how it's meant to be used, and whether it makes sense for your setup. The torque wrench we're looking at today is part of Icon's professional grade lineup. It's designed for precision, durability, and ease of use. The kind of tool you'd reach for when torquey accuracy really matters. So what are we working with here? This is the 1/2 inch drive version, rated for a torque range of 50 to 250 foot-pounds. That covers just about everything from cylinder heads to lug nuts. Accuracy is plus or minus 4% clockwise and plus or minus 6% counterclockwise. The handle? Knurled, solid, and just the right amount of grip. The markings are engraved, not printed or laser etched, so they'll stay readable for the long haul. Up top, there's a sealed 92 tooth ratchet head. That gives you a 4-degree swing arc, perfect for tight spots. Overall length, 23 and 9/16 inches. Plenty of leverage, but still comfortable in hand. And the finish, polished chrome, easy to clean, corrosion resistant. Let's walk through how it works. Right here, you've got your direction switch. Clockwise for tightening, counterclockwise for left-hand threads. To set your torque, pull down on the lock ring. Turn the knurled handle until your desired value lines up. When you're done, release the ring, and it locks securely in place. The scale shows both foot-pounds and Newton meters, one on each side. For example, to set 64 foot-pounds, align the 60 mark with the reference line, then twist until the 4 lines up. 60 plus 4 equals 64. Once it's set, you're ready to torque it. As you pull, you'll feel a firm click. That's your signal to stop. Over-torquing can damage a fastener or your wrench, so stop right there when it clicks. Before each use, exercise the wrench. Run it up to its maximum torque and then back down to minimum a few times. That keeps the internal mechanism smooth and accurate. Always clean your fasteners. Dirty threads can cause misleading torque readings. Use sockets that match your drive size and are rated for the torque you're applying. When you're done for the day, dial it back down to the lowest torque setting. That relieves spring tension and protects calibration. Store it in its blow-molded case, the one with the metal hinges and latches. It's durable and keeps everything aligned. And about every 6 months, have it recalibrated by a qualified technician. That way, you know it's always giving you the right reading. Now here's what stands out when you actually use it. The balance feels great. The knurled handle gives you that sure grip without digging into your hands. The lock ring has a satisfying click. Once it's locked, it stays put. Even when you bump it during work, the setting doesn't move. It feels like a precision instrument, not just another shop wrench. Now, when compared to others in its class, this one's a strong contender. It's It's about a quarter the price of the high-end brands weigh, yet holds the same accuracy, spec, period. Same fine-tooth ratchet, same solid feel. Icon backs it with a limited lifetime warranty, calibration excluded after 90 days, but materials and workmanship are covered for the life of the tool. That's solid peace of mind, especially for something that's going to see a lot of use. Let's talk real-world habits that keep it working like new. Never use your torque wrench to loosen fasteners. Always use it for tightening only. After every job, back it down to the lowest torque setting. Store it flat in its case. If you ever open the head for cleaning or inspection, add a touch of lubricant to the gear, not too much, just enough to keep it smooth. And one more thing, keep your proof of purchase. That's required for warranty service. So that's the Icon 1/2-inch drive professional torque wrench. Precise, comfortable, and built for anyone serious about doing things the right way. If you've used this wrench or another in its class, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's talk tools. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and share it with another DIY friend who might appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. I'm Phil, and I'll see you in the next one.